All right. This is day 5 of week 3. We're still doing our dragging circle flares, but we're gonna add in our circle lifts into them. So as demo, swing around, then you're gonna do lift, lift. Then you keep going. So that is 1 rep. Repeat for 3 sets of 3. And you're gonna do the other direction. Excuse me. Nice. There we go. Lift, lift. That is 1 rep. Repeat for 3 sets of 3. Great, so everything else is now the same as yesterday. You're gonna do your side plank leg lift, and then 3 sets of 6, both sides. You're gonna do your folds. Push your butt up as high as you can. That is a rep of 1. Repeat for 3 sets of 6. Do the front. Your hips far out as you can. Pull in. Push up. That's 1 rep. Repeat for 3 sets of 6. And then finally your straddles. Straddle closes. That is 1 rep. Repeat for 3 sets of 6.